वैल्यू क्या है एक्चुअली. सब लोगों को लगा था ओवर 25 करोड़ तो बहुत इजीली चली जाएगी.
Sanju Samson is way higher than that.
फाइनल क्वालिफाई एक्सेल इवन आई हैव नेवर सीन दैट गाय परफॉर्म.
I don't remember any such moment कि हार्दिक ने मैच चेंज किया हो जैसे हमें इंडिया के लिए याद है. गाइस अब टाइम हो चुका है अनदर सेगमेंट ऑफ आईपीएल फैन वॉर्स बाय इनसाइड स्पोर्ट्स और अभी हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उन प्लेयर्स के बारे में जिनका कहते हैं ना नाम बड़े दर्शन छोटे, हाई बहुत रहती है, फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत रहती है, लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस में वो काफी कम रहते हैं. तो चलिए जानते हैं इन लोगों से हु डू दे थिंक इज दिस वन प्लेयर. अभिषेक, कौन है ये प्लेयर जो आपके हिसाब से नाम बहुत बड़ा है लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस बहुत.
I think straightforward for me it's KL Rahul. KL Rahul I think one of the best players माने जाते हैं T20 के और IPL के भी. बट दिस सीजन सब लोगों को पता चल गया उनकी वैल्यू क्या है एक्चुअली. सब लोगों को लगा था ओवर 25 करोड़ तो बहुत इजीली चली जाएगी. आरसीबी जो पहले की फ्रेंचाइज है वो उन्हें वापस ले लेगी, कैसे भी करके कैप्टन बना देगी. 13 करोड़ में चले गए, ठीक है, डीसी के लिए. तो सब लोग को अभी रियलाइज हो गया कि ही इज नॉट दैट प्लेयर, ही इज नॉट दैट गाय एनीमोर. जो बहुत टाइम तक वो जो 130 के स्ट्राइक रेट में खेलते थे, बहुत लोग लगता था कि वो कितने हंड्रेड्स मार दिए इन्होंने, कितने अच्छे रन्स मार रहे हैं, सो मेनी 600 प्लस ये वो. बट T20 is a different ball game altogether right now. You need strike rate. You need player who can go heavy, and it has been proven. Like his numbers shows out of the T20 Indian setup, 13 crores. Venkatesh Iyer went more costly than him. Okay.
Almost double.
So everyone has shown him that okay, you're not that guy. He has a lot of potential. I'll still say that he's not a bad player, but इतना जो उन्हें हाइप मिला था, इतना जो बेस्ट प्लेयर सब बोलते थे, वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. एक्चुअली टॉप 10 बैटर्स में भी नहीं आने चाहिए. Stats can be misleading a lot of times, but now the game has changed and KL needs to buck up.
I think we all kind of agree. And I think किसी ने भी यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं करा है. Anybody says कि नहीं भैया ये
नहीं, but I think ulta I can see he's an underrated player. I'm not sure because as he said कि he has been gone for 14 crores. अगर आप देखोगे बुमराह being our top bowler, he has gone for 18 crores. Even though he was retained, but he was only given 18 crores.
It doesn't make any sense.
But it's just the amount, right?
It's not about the amount. Bumrah was retained. His loyalty stayed with the team. If Bumrah would have come in the auction, he would have gone for 30 crores, 35
that
crores,
is
40
just
crores.
a possibility. I could say.
He would have gone for the highest bidder. But for KL, there were 10 teams. One team with 110 crores, the other team with some 90, the third with 85. Lot of money on the table, and yes,
And lack of
other
wicket keepers.
players,
Lack of wicket
he's
keepers.
not underrated. He's not giving what he was expected to.
I think he has given already. In the past 10 seasons, he has more than 4 seasons with 600.
That's what I'm saying. Stats are very misleading.
But stats
Yeah.
is the thing. I think it is very important. He
Stats
has
are
been,
very misleading. When you see his impact, whenever KL used to score 100 runs, his team used to score total of 180 runs. Because KL would have played 80, 70 odd balls and then he would have gotten out. एक्सेलरेट नहीं कर पाते थे, जो पीछे के प्लेयर्स आते थे ज्यादा बॉल नहीं
But
बाकी
I can say that happened in Punjab team. If you see after he left in Punjab, they are still struggling. So Punjab overall itself is a bad team.
Punjab is a bad team, na?
Yes.
He was in RCB, then he was in LSG,
In
a very
RCB,
good
I guess
team.
he had a very good strike rate of 145
No.
plus. Yes, you can see the stats they had.
But
But even in LSG, first season he was injured. Then next, I think he took them to the qualifiers also. He was as a captain also. He was as good, if not the best. And as a player also, I think he has done justice. Because if you see in the last season, we are calling someone flop. He had 520 runs, and the second highest.
Again,
score,
you're talking about runs, but then we have to
But-
see
But
how
then that's a
the runs. If you would have played so good, have you ever seen an owner bashing his own player in front of everyone on the ground? Like you cannot do that to your own captain, dude. But you have to be so frustrated that you lose all your sense. If you're calling him a good player for LSG, being a MI fan, I don't think the owner only thinks that he was a good player for LSG.
But that could be difference of opinion. Owner must have not liked his approach, or even in that
That's
match, because
exactly.
I can say in that match he might not be that good because I think
No,
he played
it
a
was
very
a
slow
build up.
innings.
It was a build up for the entire thing. But okay,
I think,
let's move
yes,
on.
I think
Let's move on.
to an extent, let's agree to disagree because here also we have difference of opinions. But since we are on this subject, who do you think is that one player जिसका नाम बहुत है लेकिन performance कम
I would say Shubman Gill. उन पे जो अगर ऐसा we have called him the prince after he has to carry on the legacy of Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli. We are calling him the new prince. But if you see, he has one good season, 850 plus runs. He had orange cap, but still he couldn't win that IPL. वो जिता नहीं पाए फाइनल में, उनकी वैसी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं रही। उसके बाद अगर देखोगे उनको फ्रेंचाइजी का कैप्टन, उनके ओनरशिप उनके हाथ में दी गई, टू लीड लीडरशिप उनको दी गई, बट स्टिल ही कुडंट लिव अप टू द एक्सपेक्टेशंस। शुभमन गिल इज स्लाइटली ओवररेटेड।
The fun part is ये अभी बैक कर रहे थे कि केएल राहुल के स्टैट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं। अगर शुभमन गिल के आप स्टैट्स देखोगे पिछले कुछ सीजन में 890 रन he only set, 23 की बात है। 21 में also when GT won the first title he scored I think over 500 or nearby,
500, yeah.
and in his 6, 7, 8 years
And
of
he's
IPL
saying
season,
that he has to continue the legacy of Virat and Sachin. And if you are talking about IPL, he already has one more trophy than
he
Virat,
already has one
and
more
equal
trophy.
trophies than Sachin. So what legacy are
He's
you talking
too
about?
young to be called as overrated.
Yes.
Yes, but I think we have, as a Indian fans overall, also have a very high expectation from Shubman Gill. But I don't think so he has lived up to that expectation. हाँ, there is a chance for improvement. अभी तक वैसा दिखा नहीं है कि he has come up to the match and owned it. Yeah,
There are
कोई
hardly
feeling
any
side.
batters right
He's-
now in
he's-
Indian team who play better than Shubman Gill. I
He's
guess.
like another franchisee like owner जो बोल रहा है expectations है
हाँ.
आप better कर सकते हो,
हाँ.
भले हार रहे हो लेकिन हाथ से उम्मीद है। So but
उम्मीद तो है
उम्मीद तो है।
हाँ, because as you see his other competitors are Jaiswal, you can see how good he is doing. Both
Prithvi
in
Shaw
his-
used to be one of their competitors once में, जो अभी 75 लाख में भी नहीं बिका है by the way. Prithvi
Yeah.
Shaw was one of them.
Yes, हाँ, but अभी
Jaiswal is
इनका-
doing good right now in Indian cricket team. I can say that. But Shubman Gill again has scored 850 plus runs. Okay. विराट कोहली का जो रिकॉर्ड था वो जब सबसे क्लोज तोड़ने आया वो शुभमन गिल ही था। Okay?
सबसे
तो I'm
तो
saying
शुभ-
कि एक सीजन था उस पे
तो
expectations
यशस्वी
भी
जायसवाल भी
बहुत
अगेन एक ही सीजन है। अगर हम लॉन्ग रन में देख रहे हैं, अगर ये सब होता तो आज यशस्वी
No, but the
जायसवाल भी वही
fun part of the mindset is कि आप केएल राहुल को बैक कर रहे हैं, ये क्या है कि भाई साहब के स्टैट्स अच्छे,
हाँ.
नंबर्स अच्छे हैं, बट वही अगर कोई दूसरा प्लेयर बेटर स्ट्राइक रेट, बेटर टीम परफॉर्मेंस में
With
कर रहा
one more IPL
with an
trophy.
IPL trophy उसको हम
एंड
bash
अ
कर
वेरी
रहे हैं.
यंग एज,
At a very young-
अपकमिंग
But
टैलेंट।
let's say to each its own. What do you think?
So in my opinion, I think Rishabh Pant is the most overrated player in the history of IPL.
The most expensive player in
The
the
most
IPL history was.
expensive, yes. So I think he has never lived up to any expectations. Like after this accident, but the people expected him to be, he performed well. But overall, he has started playing in IPL from 2016 and in 2024. I don't think there is one season where we can say that Rishabh Pant was outstanding. Maybe one of the he has spent most of his time in Delhi. Delhi as a team also is not very great. But Rishabh Pant, even in the team of Delhi, like he was not someone who was outstanding and was doing better than the rest of the players.
Yeah, there were 1-2 performances
I think
very bad.
yeah.
we all agree
Yeah,
with this,
yeah.
because
Yeah.
he's not a good captain. Wicket keeping wise, I don't
Not
think
a
so.
good
He's not up to
decision maker also, to be very
no,
honest.
as a batsman also, he's very average. So having the price tag of 27 crores, people bidding for him, I don't think so. He lives up to
27 is little too much. I think you guys can decide. अगर हम आपसे पूछे कि was 27 CR worth it for Rishabh Pant?
My point over the 27, while I totally agree, he totally suits in this criteria. Naam bade darshan छोटे, but coming to the 27 crore part, I think if it would have been any team except GT or LSG, I would have said कि 27 crores is a lot money for Rishabh Pant. But LSG and GT, they need to make a fan base, right? They need big players in their team,
And
for
for the
people,
marketing,
for more
yeah.
people to follow them, for marketing, for advertising. They'll need a very big name.
That way.
And that's why they have invested so much money, and I can totally back them because Rishabh Pant, no matter what kind of a player he is, it flop, whatever, he's a very big name.
The
Right.
face people
He's
know
a
him
very
and
big
everything.
face.
But
for advertising.
on field अगर हम बात करें कि भैया
So
नाम
27 crores is justifiable for a team like
off-
LSG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Off
Or
field
GT.
because of his off field.
But
value.
let's not talk about money. Rishabh Pant comes in Maxwell category for me. Just then Rishabh Pant का दिन होता है. We have seen 38, 40 ball, 100 against I guess Bhuvneshwar Kumar. He bashed them all over. So हो सकता है कि ऋषभ पंत
century has scored in IPL.
But I think that's a very good comparison.
yeah
because-
definitely but he's very young. Ishan Kishan, players like Ishan Kishan and them,
But
they have not
Rishabh
even
Pant has
scored.
been playing IPL from last 8 years now.
No, and being a wicket keeper also, you add some value. कि भैया एक
Again, that's why I told you
हाँ.
कि you need ऋषभ पंत in your team because एक आधा दिन ऐसा आता है जब ऋषभ पंत आपको पूरा मैच घुमा दे.
और वही
अगर वो
But
वैसा प्लेयर
that
आपको
we can
चाहिए.
see only in terms of batting, because as a wicket keeper, I think
As a
he's
wicket keeper,
very
he's
below.
continuously improving.
सिर्फ
I
एक ही
can
player
say-
एक ही player है जो मैच स्टंप के पीछे से
तो
change
आप
कर
एक
सकता है.
काम करिए, आप
But
रिद्धिमान
I-
शाह को ले लो अपनी टीम में और ऋषभ पंत को छोड़ दो. रिद्धिमान शाह कीपर बहुत अच्छे हैं. बैटिंग
हाँ,
क्या उनसे करा लो वो करा
entertaining
सकते
होगी,
हैं.
Rishabh Pant, but I don't think so. He's
नहीं,
a
but
very good
he's
keeper.
already a KL Rahul fan, so he has a wicket keeper in his fan base. Well, let's not go there. What do you think? Which player is the one?
Sanju Samson.
Another wicket keeper. Wow.
Yeah, Sanju
All
Samson.
the keepers are
All
overrated.
All the keepers
Except
are
for
No, it's not about
except MS
Except
Dhoni.
for MS.
ऐसा कहा जा सकता है.
It's not about wicket keepers or something. After every IPL, we see thousands of fans coming and saying Samson को Indian team में नहीं लेते, Samson को ये नहीं करते. But if you see overall stats of Sanju Samson, he has played I guess 150 plus games, if I'm right. he has an average of 30. Sanju Samson, if we are criticizing Rishabh Pant, naam bade, darshan chote, Sanju Samson is way higher than that. Sanju Samson has scored, I guess, what, 3 centuries in IPL.
दो अभी recently
की है, बाकी पूरे सालों में एक की है. तो संजू सैमसन का हाइप बहुत सारा है. Performances again, it goes down and then it goes up and then goes down. तो मुझे नहीं लगता संजू सैमसन.
I think Sanju is also one of those players who actually sits well in this criteria because पूरा tournament he'll play good, but when there is a very crucial match, he's opposite
flops.
of clutch. When there is a do or die match, when there is a final, when there is a semi-final, qualifier, etc. Even I've never seen that guy perform. Having so much potential, I still think that Rishabh is like way below than Sanju because Sanju actually performed throughout the season.
Yes.
That's also important. Rishabh never does that. But Sanju actually is never a big match player. I can never see Sanju. I don't remember any innings because Rajasthan being such a good team, balanced team, they have come to the final as well, lost to GT, etc. But every season they come, they go, like they have a very good purple patch, but they never win.
Most
anything.
of the matches, the stage is set.
Right.
Yashasvi Jaiswal and Josh Butler,
They
they
used
open,
together.
they
Yeah,
perform
yeah.
very well. And then there is a saying कि जब संजू अच्छा खेलता है ना, वो
तो
मैच
team
इंपॉर्टेंट
हारती
नहीं
है.
होता है.
और team
हाँ,
हारती भी
और
है.
हारती है और वो मैच इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
Because I myself have never seen संजू perform on a big stage.
हाँ.
कुछ knockouts हो गए या कुछ, वो टीम जायसवाल और जॉश बटलर पर ही है.
But Butler last season बहुत बड़े flop थे.
हाँ,
Sanju
but Butler
actually played
consistently
well.
has been better than Sanju
नहीं, मुझे
Samson,
सिर्फ
way
संजू
better.
के एक ही मैच याद है, कोई तो टीम के अगेंस्ट था जो लास्ट में 6 रन चाहिए थे, उसने शॉट मारा था, चौका हो गया था, 1 रन से टीम जीती थी and he performed really well. I think that's the only match where I remember संजू पास में आया है.
Sanju has got the streets, a lot of fans, lot of supporters, but again he has not actually performed.
He has
that
got the
well.
hype, but he hasn't
But
got the
Sanju
performance
has got
yet.
the loyalty because he stayed with this Rajasthan Royals for the longest time. I think वो fan base जो है कि भैया हमको एक कोई केरला का प्लेयर चाहिए टीम में, हम इतना सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो देखा जाए तो अभी रिसेंटली ही संजू सैमसन ने टेबल स्टोन किए, वरना
Yes.
उनको जितने चांसेस मिले, I don't think
Again, a bilateral series, I guess.
Again, yes.
अगर यही वर्ल्ड कप होता तो क्या संजू यही लेवल पे परफॉर्म कर
But
पाते?
इनको वर्ल्ड कप में चांस भी नहीं मिला, so we
हाँ,
can
हाँ.
never say that. But okay, moving on, I think you're the last person left who will
Yes.
get to tell this team. So.
तो मेरे जो है खिलाड़ी वो मुंबई से हैं, हार्दिक पांड्या,
Oh,
और ये इसके लिए है because
totally disagree before hearing your
हाँ.
points.
Disagree.
agree to disagree, but the point is ये दो डायनामिक वाले प्लेयर्स हैं, बैटिंग बॉलिंग. बैटिंग में चलो ये नीचे बैटिंग करते हैं, जब इनके स्टैट्स की मैं बात नहीं करूंगा, but
नीचे
जितना-
नहीं करते, अभी वो बहुत ऊपर.
वो सिर्फ
करते
जीटी के लिए है, जीटी के लिए है, उसके बाद से वो नीचे ही
पर उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म भी किया था.
वही एक
Just in-
season है.
हाँ,
He has
वही
won the
बता-
trophy.
जीटी के
हाँ.
साथ जो उन्होंने बैटिंग करी, that's when he stood out for me. हार्दिक पांड्या as a batter. Otherwise, हार्दिक पांड्या as a batter, personally for me in IPL कभी stand out नहीं हुए, because they had team players like Kieron Pollard, Kunal Pandya, but हार्दिक had their chances. एज अ बॉलर अभी आजकल वो ओपनिंग स्पेल डालते हैं, लेकिन भाई ओपनिंग स्पेल में भी ना वो बुमराह का इम्पैक्ट ला सकते हैं, ना अर्शदीप की इकोनॉमी ला सकते हैं, ना वो अपनी एंगल से कुछ ला सकते हैं. तो एज अ बॉलर भी वो लीक करते हैं रन, चाहे मिडिल ओवर्स में दो, चाहे डेथ में दो. एज अ बैटर ही हैज गॉट दैट फिनिशिंग स्किल्स, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही डजंट कन्वर्ट. मेरे लिए भाई हार्दिक पांड्या की जितनी फैन फॉलोइंग है, जितनी वाहवाही है, उतनी परफॉर्मेंस.
I think, I don't know, I don't want to say a lot about it, but Hardik Pandya has been the most clutch player in the history of India. I'll just say that. I haven't seen a much better clutch guy. Like if you go
इंडिया की बात नहीं, आईपीएल की बात करते हैं.
IPL के बारे में भी मैं बोलूंगा. GT को फर्स्ट सीजन में ही
हाँ.
जिता
GT
दिया,
को
सेकंड सीजन
100%
में
उसी सीजन के लिए
फाइनल
stand out
लेके
करता हूं.
चले गए. अभी इस
as a
लास्ट
player.
टाइम he was going through a divorce. Okay, he was, the entire crowd was booing him, but still he came to the stadium every single day, fought for his team.
What else will he do? क्या वो रूम में बैठेगा बोलेगा भैया
Dude,
मुझे
there,
नहीं आना है?
I can name
No,
you. I can name you
mental-
10 players who have taken off for. Are you taking mental health very
I am not
lightly?
saying
You're
mental
not
health is
right.
not important. I'm just talking about Hardik Pandya's performance. कि
You
जितना
all
उसका
saw in
नाम
T20 World Cup.
There are
as
one or
well.
two
World
seasons
Cup.
when he hasn't
IPL.
performed well, but he's a monster. He has
On
a
his
beast
day, for me,
mentality.
he's that Rishabh Pant. On his day, he can be
No,
very
no,
good.
I think
No,
comparing
no,
him to
no.
Rishabh
Rishabh Pant is not even 50% of Hardik Pandya.
Let's not
He's
go
the
there.
captain.
Let's not compare Hardik Pandya to anyone. Rishabh Pant, Sanju
Hardik
Samson,
Pandya
Hardik
for
Pandya
me
is way
on
high.
his day can be very deadly, but on the other day, जब होता है ना कि टीम आपकी अच्छा खेल रही है,
It's
फिर
a
आपने
very
आके-
less days. Like
हाँ.
very less days when Hardik is actually bad. I agree. On the second season of GT, he got a little bit too over his head by promoting himself in the batting, then in the bowling. Last season also his captaincy wasn't that good. I'm not talking about Hardik the captain, but Hardik the player is one of the most clutch player ever I've seen.
But I think as a captain he's also is not that bad. He has played 3 seasons as a captain.
Not as a
दो में
captain,
फाइनल में
but-
आया है वो, एक वो जीता है. As you can see, other Rishabh Pant, I will see, he is not as a good.
There
captain
are
also.
ups and downs in everyone's
But the
career.
When he promoted himself to number 2 in GT, he performed well also.
See,
I think he had
India
more than
के-
400 runs in that.
इंडिया की 130 सीआर पॉपुलेशन में मुश्किल से 4 या 5 ऑलराउंडर्स काउंट होते हैं फास्ट बॉलिंग में, और स्पेशली अभी के ब्रीड में आई थिंक वेंकटेश अय्यर या नीतीश रेड्डी तो अभी चलो नए नए हैं.
हाँ.
हार्दिक इज वन गाय you always count to as an all-rounder.
Correct.
As an Indian fan, no doubt he does great. But as an IPL person, IPL lover, I think मुंबई के लिए भी जब वो खेले शुरू में, I don't think उन्होंने गेम चेंज किया. When रोहित शर्मा, Kieron Pollard, everybody used to do it. Quinton de Kock used to bat so aggressively. He used to come, he used to do his 10 balls 20, जो भी उस समय सिचुएशन थी. I don't remember any such moment कि हार्दिक ने मैच चेंज किया, और जैसे हमें इंडिया के लिए याद है. तो मेरे लिए भाई साहब आपकी जितनी फैन फॉलोइंग अगर आपके नंबर्स बोल दें तो मैं खुश हो जाऊँ. But I just don't say so. Let's agree to disagree again.
Because no
So-
one agrees.
हाँ, no one agrees. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So guys, this is what we feel about the players जिनके नाम बहुत हैं लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस कम है. आपके हिसाब से वो कौन से प्लेयर्स हैं? You tell us in the comments, और साथ ही साथ लाइक कर लेना, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और शेयर कर लेना. Thank you so much.
This podcast was sponsored by Dafa News. Follow us for more such interesting videos.